A treetop view of the city is one only an experienced arborist gets to see. Nowmac are trimming trees in the region as part of regular maintenance for the council and scaled the two largest trees in the Christchurch Cathedral gardens that overlook the city. The National Arborist Society will hold their annual conference here in Nelson in October. The event is still in the early planning stages, but the cathedral grounds are earmarked for a number of climbing demonstrations. We gave Nowmac staff the Nelson Live camera to capture these fantastic shots of our city through the branches.